again I am here with your favorite subject, that is discovery, and today I am here with one of very interesting activity. Okay, for this activity simply you need only two things, children. One is the stick and the other is the straw. With these two things we are going to make a toy, or we are going to make a mini sprinkler with which you can enjoy a lot later on. It will teach you many things, so you will have learn with fun. Okay, so we will move on to the activity. Let us move on to the procedure to make a miniature sprinkler. Okay, so the material that we need, see, we can take any type of straw, whatever is available at home, you can just use it. Okay, one straw we need. Then we need one stick. If you have kebab stick, wooden kebab stick which is available in the market, which is pointed at one end, that is well and good, or else broomsticks are also okay. Okay, other than that the normal stationery, that is scissors, pen and cello tape. Okay, so now the procedure is, first we need to fold the straw into exactly two halves so that we will get the center of the straw. We need to find out the center like this, see. And once we find out, you need to mark it with a pen. Here we will mark it with the pen. Okay. After that, you will make a hole in it. The hole should be in such a way so that the stick can just pass through it. Okay. You can use a safety pin also to make the hole in it. So I am making the hole with the help of a safety pin. Like this. So once you make the hole, you can pass the stick through it like this. Like this. Okay, children? Once this is done, you need to fold the straw in such a way that it should be in a triangular shape like this. Wait a minute. It should be like this. So, see, you can see the triangular shape of the straw. Okay, we will now attach this with the help of a cello tape. You need to join it. Okay, like this. I will join it and I will join the ends like this. Like this you need to join the ends. Okay, if you need two cello tape, that is also okay, but just take care that the opening of the straw should not be covered by the cello tape. That is very, very important. Okay, once you do this, you need to give a small cut at these two ends of the triangle here with the help of a scissor. See, you need to just give a small cut here. Like this. Okay, and one cut here. Like this. A small cut you will give at these two ends. Okay, so your mini sprinkler is ready. Children, just now we made this mini sprinkler. It is made out of a straw which is quite hard. Okay, but if you have a soft straw like this, it is okay, but the only thing you need to cut it like this at the end. See the comparison of the cut. Here it is just at this end. Here it is properly cut since it was quite small, quite soft to cut it. Okay. Chalo, now let us see the working of it. See, this is the beaker and it is filled with water. I have taken colored water so that it is visible easily. I am just dipping this portion, starting portion, these two opening portion in water, and I will just rotate it like this. Can you see? The water is coming out like a sprinkler. Yes? Can you see it, children? Yes. You can water the plants with the help of this mini sprinkler. With this also I will show you the same thing. See, so nicely the water comes out from the beaker. So with the help of this mini sprinkler, we can understand the concept of the actual sprinkler, right? Isn't it beautiful, children? But we should know the science behind it also, right? You must be knowing what is centripetal and centrifugal force. We have done it in Sudarshan Chakra. So can you think which force is acting here actually? Yes, you are right, children. It is centrifugal force. You know very well centrifugal force works outward. Here the water is entering from the opening of the straw, which is at the bottom, and it is thrown outward, right? So it is nothing due to centrifugal force. I think you should try, children. Okay. Enjoy. Thank you.